Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I'll be preparing a very delicate, a very trendy local Bangladeshi dish, and that is called um, beef with beetroot. So, in my local language, in Bangla, we call it beet gosh, right? So, beetroot and beef. So, I've got just a little over 500 grams of beet, nicely diced, cleaned, and ready to go. We've got beetroot peeled over, and I'm gonna slice them. It's more like a julienne cut that I'm gonna make him to prepare my dish. So let's go ahead and do this. And I've got two onions, ginger garlic, green chili, and that's pretty much it. So let's start off with the beetroot. I'm gonna hold it like this and julienne them. Just like that. So, beetroot beef, very traditional in my country. People love it. And this is going to be a bit spicy because it's going to be a curry. So, but curry doesn't mean that you have to make it extremely hot to burn your tongue. It doesn't have to be that way. So you can still make beef curry and make it very mild, or you can not make it hot at all. I mean, if you just exclude green chili or chili powder, it's not going to be hot, right? Well, there's another thing I forgot to show you, which is this. Take a look into this. This is what we call garam masala. Well, what this is, it's a mix of different spice, roasted and blended to make it powder. And I've got clove. What else do I got over here? Clove, nutmeg. I've got what do you call it? Cinnamon. And I've got what else do I have over here? Black pepper and red chili, dried red chili, and that's pretty much it. So the purpose of this is to intensifies. It adds in flavor. So the difference between making hot dish and um, dessert items like that requires oven to bake is has a huge difference. I mean, you cannot experiment with baking products. Everything has to be precise. That includes temperature and timing. And recipe, you cannot even touch it. If you do, then your product will not be what you expected it to be. But with the hot dish, there are rooms for adjustment. Like say, uh, you want to add in some salt, you can do that. Even at the middle of cooking, you can do that. Say you want to add some flavor or anything. I mean, anything you can imagine, you can pretty much adjust your cooking uh, at the middle of your cooking process. But with baking, you cannot. That's why baking is slightly difficult. It's pretty difficult. I mean, baking is pretty difficult compared to hot kitchen items. And that's my humble opinion. That's my take. You don't have to agree with me. So it's nowhere a war between hot kitchen item and pastry kitchen item. Okay. In Western countries, people use beetroot for salad, even for the juice. Uh, and in my country, we kind of like it with the beef, and also as a salad item, of course. I hope we've got enough light to cover what I'm doing here. So I hope you guys enjoyed my baklava master class. Making baklava is not easy, especially when you have to make the baklava sheet manually. You know what I'm talking about, right? Those very thin layer of dough sheet. It's not easy. It looks really nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause it here because it's probably gonna take some time to complete the whole bucket. So I'll return back when I'm done doing this.